Okay, in this equation, we have two variables. And so sometimes they just want you to rewrite it in another form, solving for one variable, but not actually getting a number answer, just solving to get like y by itself. So I've got all of this, but I want y by itself. So let's pretend like all your numbers are just numbers like normal, and we want to get y by itself. So first of all, we want to get rid of this. Oh, my marker's not working. Let me get a different one. Sorry about that. Good to know that one doesn't work. We'll go to green. We want to get rid of that. So, because we want y by itself, we got rid of all of this first. So we'll go with that subtracting 5x. So we have to do that over here. So this is going to be 2y left over equals, because that all went away, that makes 0. So then we just keep the 6 and we write minus 5x. We can't do anything with it because it's not like terms. So we just manipulated the equation. We didn't change anything. We didn't solve for anything particular like a number because we got two variables. So now we still want to get y by itself and it's still attached to a 2 in multiplication. So to undo that, we divide by 2. But remember, when we divide by 2 on this side of the equation, we're dividing by 2 on this side of the equation. So the entire side is divided by 2. That's why we always do dividing and multiplying last, because we're dividing and multiplying by the whole side. So then this becomes just y. That marker's dying on me too. And so then I can break this up and say I've got 6 over 2 and negative 5 over 2 x. So I can do 6 over 2 is going to be my 3. But because I can't really simplify that, it doesn't come out to a whole number, I'm just going to leave it that way. Or you could write 2.5 x. You can write it however you want, but it still is a fraction or a decimal. So it's up to you to write it as 2.5 or 2 and 1/2, however you want to do it. But this is solving for y, and I did. And so you don't actually get a final one answer. You actually get an equation ready for somebody to plug in something for x and solve it for y. So we'll learn more about why we would do this in another chapter, but I wanted you to know how to just change equations around for convenience sake later. It may not seem so convenient right now. But that's how you would rewrite that one. This is really a hard concept, so if you're not sure about this, rewatch this video, or there are 3 to try on your own, or just check with me in class to go over it with you. Good luck.